Good morning, and welcome to this uplifting meditation to start your day with positivity and purpose. I'm Neil Redmond, and I am honoured to be your guide as we step into a brand new day full of potential. This is your moment to pause, connect, and find peace with yourself and set the tone for the day ahead. A day filled with calm confidence and joy. Find a comfortable seated position and sit tall. Relax, rest your hands gently on your lap. Close your eyes and let's begin. First, we are going to start with a bit of grounding and breath work to set the foundations for a beautiful day in which unforgettable memories are made. Take a deep breath through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Breathe deeply in again and feel your lungs expand, fill you with fresh energy, and then exhale and release any lingering tension or heaviness from the day before. One more time. Inhale deeply, welcoming in positivity and light, and exhale, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Now let your breath settle into its natural rhythm, flowing effortlessly in and out. With each breath, you're grounding yourself here and now in the present moment. The best days are always started by setting a positive intention. So this morning, let's set an intention for the day ahead. It can be as simple as choose joy, a welcoming of abundance, or the approach of today with calm and clarity. Take a moment to repeat your intention silently, or even take a moment to say it out loud. I am calm. I choose joy. I welcome abundance and prosperity. I see with clarity. Let this intention become your guiding light as the day goes by and gently remind you that your strengths and your purpose are coming to you. Now let's imagine a warm, golden light glowing above you. This light represents all the positive energy in which is being attracted to you. Love and the opportunities are waiting for you today. With each breath, feel the light gently descending and washing over you. With every breath, let it flow into the crown of your head and filling your mind with clarity and peace. The light moves into your heart, awakening the feelings of gratitude, love, and confidence. You are open to receiving the goodness of what today has to offer. Feel the light expand through your entire body, into your arms, your hands, legs, down into your feet. Feel the energy in every part of who you are. You are a radiant being full of life and light that is ready for today. Now together we are going to use some words of affirmation that are uplifting and ingrain positivity into our well-being. As you sit here, take a moment to recognize how the body feels. out loud or along with me these simple words. Today is a fresh start, a new opportunity to shine. I am capable, resilient, and deserving of happiness. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way with grace and strength. I radiate positivity and I attract good energy. I am grateful for this moment and for all it is blessing in my life. Take a moment to repeat any of these affirmations silently or choose one that resonates with you deeply. Hold on for this and remind yourself of this throughout the day. This is a meditation that comes to an end. Let's bring our awareness back to the breath for the final moments and how our body feels now it is filled and energized with light and also grounded. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes and bring yourself ready to open your eyes and greet the day with a smile. Carry this energy with intention that you've cultivated here into every moment of your day, reminding yourself to remember you have the power to create, you are joy, you have the courage to face challenges and share your light with yourself in the world. Thank you for joining me on this beautiful morning. I'm Neil Redmond and I'm wishing you a day filled with prosperity, positivity and peace. Thank you.